Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add checkboxes in MS Excel. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump to the tutorial. The first step is to click up here on Developer. In case you don't see this option, do the following. Right-click on a space, customize the ribbon, and here, check the Developer box. Well, let's go to Developer, then click on Insert. Here, click on this box and create the checkbox, and then adjust the size. Well, we would already have the checkbox, but we are not finished yet. We will have to remove this text. To do this, right-click, Edit Text. And here, we just delete the text. Well, now we will press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. And that's it. We would have everything done. Leave me a like, I appreciate it too much. Thanks for watching.